Good morning, students. Welcome to our English conversation class. So, I would like you to grab your student's book and your workbook, also your pencil for writing later. Let's proceed to practice conversation English. Boy, what do you do during summer? Girl, I am playing volleyball. So, let's go to your student's book and I would like you to turn on page 82. In your textbook, page 82, so we are going to answer this one. We are going to make a sentence using the am, the like, and now. So for number one, if it's I from Thailand, so you know when it is I, we should have the am as a verb to be. So you are going to write down I am from Thailand. And period. So here, number two, example, we have like what? So we have the is in here, and is our, that is our verb to be. What is it? So we have the is and the it. It's just the same as the I and the am. What is it like now? So you need to write down what is it like now? So that's our question. And then don't forget the and mark. Okay, next we are going to proceed to are you. So usually the now it's really at the end of the sentence. So when you are going to ask question, are you hot now, or are you cold now, or are you okay now? So that's how you are going to ask question. So the now we are going to put it at the end. Are you hot now? Are you hot now? Okay. So in here, it's a like. So it's just the same when you're going to talk. I like, I don't like. So in here, you're going to insert the like after the don't. I don't like rainy weather. So I don't like rainy weather. So that's what we're going to. So here, the now, we are going to put at the end. Is it cold now? Is it cold now? Is, so as you can see, they are all big letters, okay? Is it cold now? So in here, as we have the I, it's the same. We need to put it after the am. We need to put it after the I. Or if it's question, this one is at the beginning. So in here, I am cold. So, for example, it's snowing and you feel cold. I am cold. And then period. And then here, I like, the same as I don't like, I like. So we are going to write it down. I like snow. I like snow. Okay. So the last number that we have, it is 7 now. It is 7 now. So maybe it is 7 in the morning now, or it is 7 in the evening now. It is 7 now. Okay, so we are finished on this page. So now I would like you to grab your workbook and turn on page 51. So now we are here on page 51 on your workbook. So we are also going to answer this page and then the other page also. So this one, there are use the letter to make words. So you need to rearrange the letters. So they are mixed up. So they are not really the right word. So number 2, what do you think will be the word? Okay. So this one, as you can see, we have one vowel. You need to look at the one vowel and then you will know what kind of word is that one. So we have cold. Okay. And I want you to write it down. Cold. Okay. So number 3, we have here again, we have the letter I. And then you can say why. Then what will be this word? And then because of the vowel, you can easily understood what kind of word is this one, and this one is windy. Windy. So because we are talking about the seasons and the weather. So here, what will it be? So this one happens during autumn season. So we have the fall. Fall for British English and seasons for English, for American English. And so we have here S and G. So ing. So spring. Okay. So this one will it be? It's one of your favorite maybe. That is snow. Okay. And so in here, we are going to draw the line. So we have summer. It's about the season. What is this one? Cold. Cold season. This one, when? When? They are the same. So you can say this one will be winter and this one will be windy. Okay. And this one? Hot. Okay, so now we're done. Yeah? So let's proceed to number 3. So this one is opposite. Opposite means they are not the same. For example, tall and short. Or you can say it right away in colors. For example, black color. The opposite of black color is white color. Okay, so that's the basic example and very easy to understand. So here we are going to know the opposite words of these weather and seasons. So we have the hot and then we have the summer. If we have summer, we also have winter. Okay, this one. So if we have rainy season, then we also have dry season. Okay, this one. And so if we have spring is like that is the time when the flowers bloom and the river, they are always filled with waters. And then for fall, that is the time when all the leaves dry out and falling. That's why it's called fall. So done. Ready to go to the next page. So we have here the present continuous that we had. So we are going to put an X if what would be the right word, or what would be the correct word. So we can have here she is sleeping, she are sleeping. So we all know that he, she, it use is, right? So this one is the right. the correct sentence. So number 3, we have we are sitting on the chair. We are sit on the chair. So this one, it is wrong because the verb should have ing, like this one. Okay? So the next that we have, number 4, we aren't works. So this one, no ing. Okay? So we aren't working. Correct. So number 5, we have he is swimming in the pool, and the other one, he are swimming in the pool. So number 5 is the correct answer. Okay, so number 6, we have Susan is playing ball, and then the other one is Susan is playing ball. So it's very obvious. Susan is a she, we use is, and we should have ing. Okay. And so we have number 3. So he is painting picture. Or this one, you can use any kinds of object. You can say he is painting flower, he is painting grass, he is painting nature. You just need to complete the sentence. We aren't what? So you need to give me a verb that ends with ing. Ends with ing. Verb. It means to say actions. So let us going to take the, oh, I'm sorry. We are on number 2. I like drinking water and apple juice. So write these sentences about yourself. So this one is about yourself. So we are going to go here. So for example, we have number 2. We aren't what? So let us take this word, for example. We aren't studying. We have the ing. So I just copy here because it's easy to look for words in your book than to think about it, right? So we aren't studying math. Okay. And so we have here, she isn't, for example, let us copy this one. She isn't kicking the what? The ball. And so we are number 4. We are, what are you doing right now? Drinking, eating. So you can say we are eating snacks. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for today. This one you are going to answer by yourself, and also the next page. Okay. So for homework that you need to do at home, please answer your workbook, page 53, 54, and 55. Bye.